Hold up, you don't know? Truck of avocado. Truck of avocado.
So I'm gonna grab this, my gloves, which I definitely forgot to get new ones, out of this side box, which is a bit messy. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start undoing this shock rope. And since I always use quick knots, it's easy to get, get it off. And then this bungee is one of the bungees that is used for, I need to take my glasses off, and I forgot my sunglasses. Put that right there. Hopefully I don't sit on it. And always start by taking all of these bungees off. There we go. Now we're gonna come back and do this one. All right, and then any quick knot that I see, I always take it off. And then I doubled on this one right here. Take these off. Take this quick knot off. And this is the shock rope from, oh my goodness, what a mess. I didn't roll it up right because it fell. Alright, so homeboy told me I didn't need to tarp this load, so there's that. We're gonna climb up on the trailer here. This became loose, I guess, in transit. Take these out. And the reason I use shock cord is because that's what they like to use over here. So I don't know if it's better or not than the bungees, but I like it. Most people don't have a problem with it over at this company. Take this bungee off. Where'd the can't find the slip knot? That's okay. All right, and then since we already got the other side loosened, I'm gonna go ahead and find my way out of this situation here. loosen this one. And then now what we're gonna do is take this shock cord out, because what happens is in the cold it gets, you know, it's not as easy to deal with as when it's like, you know, cab temperature. So I put it under the sleeper in the storage box. And then fold that up like that, and then just roll this around this, so that way it stays nice and neat. And then I have another bungee here because I didn't have enough of this one here. All right, so now that we're all good with that, I'm gonna climb up here on this side. Take this out of the way. Just yank this out. I should have put the case on my GoPro, whatever. And we're gonna come back down here. And we're gonna fold this one up as well. Or roll it up, I should say. Fold it in half. String that right through there. All right, now we can get started on taking out this side. I always like to loosen this side first and then just go loosening it around. And then once I get to that other side, undo all of it, starting over there, because sometimes it gets a little tricky. There you go. But I like to do the other side first, because then I can just put these away as I go. Right in the side box. This one came out pretty bad, but it's okay. It's gonna get used again. Hopefully not on the next load, but and then I could just put another bungee here. How many more bungees do I have? Not that much. Right there. Throw this right there as well. All right. That's all she wrote for this tarp, so we're gonna take it off and fold it. Something is caught up somewhere. I got caught up to the hook. All right, then we come to the back of it and grab that, pull this. Pull this one back. And then I always got it even first. That's what I do. This is my process. Again, I'm still learning, so I don't exactly know if I have a good process, but it's the one that I use for now. Throw this rope over, or inside I should say. Throw this rope in. And while I'm doing all this, I'm also looking for any holes that may be in. So like that, I can patch it up. Hard labor, guys, hard labor. I'm not a POS dry van driver. All right, it's all straightened up. And then we're gonna come to this side here. And I'm gonna fold this one in thirds. So put that there like that. Come back over to this side, grab this corner. Now we'll fix that little outskirts like that. I haven't folded in thirds in so long that I low-key don't know if I'm doing it right. Oh shit, there's a hole right there. So since there's a hole, we're gonna come in here, grab some alcohol, which I'm out of, and then grab this, I need some more alcohol. We're gonna use the green one. Takes nothing but a couple seconds. Well, what? All right, so clean that out. Take the glue, cement glue. Tack it up a little bit. If I can get it back up. Put some more glue on this. Put that on there. Take this rag and press it down. All right, and that is how you fix that. Put that back in there. We're gonna fold this side first because it is the open end. Put it here halfway, just about. I'll pull this down a little bit. I'm gonna come this way. All right, come back to this side. And I guess I didn't fix that, but that is okay. All right, and then because these are my 9s, they're going in the trailer box. So we're going to just drag it. And then fold this right up to like right there and go grab some bungees. While I come and grab the bungees, I'll start doing this side because I do this side on the other side since it's going the other trailer box. So you can see one of the D-rings broke. That's okay. And I'm fine. This works best for me. If I was doing the 6s, they go in the front, so I would roll them right towards the drives. It is hot. Nice and easy. Roll this around. Grab some bungees. I'll grab this one and this one here. These two seem good. Undo this. Put that under there. up, open this storage door up. Just a bit over. And got a nice good fold on her. Start by just bending it in a little bit, and then I come back and getting it nice and tight. And that is, I guess, crucial to the folding process. I can't carry these, but I can carry the 6-foot tarps. These are heavy than a mug. We're gonna move this strap here and then roll this in. Roll this in. Move this strap here. All right, now we do the same on the other side. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, holla for the dollar, baby. Peace out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.